the James Webb Space Telescope will be able to detect alien civilizations. Be welcome to this new documentary. If it is the first time, I introduce myself. I am the engineer Hiddekel Morrison, and I appreciate you decide to see this educational content. We will reveal and explain how the James Webb Space Telescope will be able to identify the presence of alien life with its advanced tools for exploring the universe. In addition, we will see the impressive new stellar image that the telescope has taken, with the new advance in the process of aligning its mirrors. Don't miss out on all these exciting new information. From an engineer's perspective, let's start. In its alignment process, the James Webb Space Telescope was able to achieve this impressive stellar image, thanks to the advancement of its aligned mirrors, providing another view of a towering star, a star that could have orbiting planets and even possible alien life. Recall that the telescope is currently in the image stacking phase of the Webb telescope alignment, which involves creating a unified image from multiple images. It's 18 clips stacked to show a star. Initially, the first images from the James Webb Space Telescope in early February 2022 were made up of 18 copies of the same star seen in 18 different mirrors. While in this new image officially shared by the National Aeronautics and Space Administration of the United States, NASA, the same star can be seen, this time much sharper and brighter. This stage in which the image of the star has been improved is called image stacking. The team activated groups of 6 mirrors simultaneously and instructed them to reset their light to overlap, so that all of the star's points of light overlapped each other, NASA said. This is how that approach to a star was achieved. The James Webb team of engineers and scientists will continue to adjust the mirrors to make the single point of starlight sharper and more focused in the coming weeks. The entire process is expected to take 3 months. Each successful step brings the James Webb Space Telescope closer to being fully operational and beginning, with its discoveries, a new understanding of the universe and of life outside planet Earth, as the James Webb Telescope is equipped with the technology necessary to detect civilizations. Aliens. Here's how the James Webb will be able to detect alien life. But first, I ask you to support us by liking this video, sharing this video with your contacts, and subscribing to this channel, turning on notifications, so with your support, we can continue to frequently generate interesting documentaries on aerospace technology and the universe. Thank you for contributing to the creation of educational content. Observations always imply theory. Edwin Hubble, prestigious American astronomer. NASA's James Webb Telescope could detect alien civilizations through air pollution, a wonderful fact that was revealed in a study by the prestigious Cornell University through the search and detection of industrial pollutants in the atmospheres of exoplanets. The way in which the James Webb Telescope will use its technology to detect the possible presence of alien life is detailed in this study published by Cornell University, carried out by the Blue Marble Space Institute of Science in Seattle. The research is called Detectability of Chlorofluorocarbons in the Atmospheres of Habitable M-dwarf Planets. In the study, the researchers explain that the Webb telescope could make these detections by adjusting its detection instruments to identify the presence of industrially released chlorofluorocarbons, since it is based on the idea that if a species is intelligent, it will make use of industrial processes, in the same way. How humans on planet Earth release chlorofluorocarbons as refrigerants and cleaning agents. Chlorofluorocarbons are a notable example of a technosignature on planet Earth, and the detection of chlorofluorocarbons on a distant planet would be difficult to explain through any biological or geological features known to us today. Our civilization continues on a path of growth in both population and energy consumption, while we are just beginning to understand the extent to which our technology could be detectable at astronomical distances. The researchers added that continuing exploration of how civilizations past, present and future will affect Earth's detectability remains an important goal in understanding the prevalence of biosignatures and technosignatures in our galaxy. Now we have to look forward to the moment when the James Webb Telescope is in its full capacity and operation. Within the complex and delicate process in which it finds itself, the James Webb is still in the middle of an alignment of polyphase mirrors and has been running smoothly so far. The goal is to make all Webb mirrors work together as a single unit. The 2 most recent stages involved making minor adjustments to the alignment of the telescope's mirrors. Completing this process, known as section alignment, was an essential step before light from all the mirrors interfered so they could work in unison. NASA said in this statement. Let us remember that the James Webb is a joint project of NASA, the European Space Agency and the Canadian Space Agency. It is prepared to contemplate the origin of the primitive universe and provide a great leap in the understanding of how the universe originated, formed and evolved, which helps us to understand the very origin of all of us as a human species, which like a planet, the moon, the sun or a galaxy, we are made up of cosmic dust and we come from that first explosion with which everything arose, the Big Bang. I read you in the comments of this video. I would like to know your opinions on everything that as a human species we can decipher with James Webb. As usual, we appreciate you informing us. It is a real pleasure to be able to provide you with the main news, trends and developments, about the most important aspects of aerospace technology and the universe, from the perspective of an engineer. I am the engineer Hiddekel Morrison and I invite you to meet again in a future installment.